Hey people, while I'm still on this whole subject of ebooks, I have to say that as of yesterday, I wrote my 101st ebook. It's like each ebook is 2,500 words, but yesterday was my 101st ebook, and after this, now I'm going to, take a step back and now I need to concentrate on the marketing of these books rather than just keep writing and all. So I wrote 101 because I want to tell people that I have more than 100 ebooks on Amazon. Now, more than 100 can mean 200, it can mean 101. So, that was the whole idea. But people see, with regard to this whole this ebook journey, there are these amazing, there is this one. One he's they call themselves publishers, self publishers on Amazon. So his name is Emeka Osai, Emeka Osai, Ossai, and he's right now in he's married a Mexican, and like he's a that's what he's from Canada. He's a Afro-Canadian, I think. But amazing, yeah. He, if you were to check out Emeka Osai's, YouTube tutorial videos, he explains the whole process. But my own, and there's also this another, Greek gentleman, but he's also of Greek origin. Again, he's an American, I think, and his YouTube channel is Project Life Mastery. So he teaches us about keywords and all. Like on Amazon, your title should have like interesting keywords that are often used, so that's how your book will be found, because Amazon is such a huge database, right, of it's like a river, Amazon river. So a river of information and products. So but only thing is, people these like I'm as a writer, I want to be honest. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure same goes for y'all, that because many of these different self-publishing courses teach you how to outsource your writing, get it written by someone else, ghost written by someone else, and then once it returns, then put your name on it. And yeah, I mean, see, there itself, I find it a little, I wouldn't endorse such a thing, so anyway, that is the thing. But you all can just check it out, Project Life Mastery and Emeka Osai. They are like stalwarts, yeah, in their field. So with regard to ebook writing, that's the kind of information I can give in a 1 minute video, 2 minutes, no, 3 minutes. Yeah, so there it is. And then there are so many, you can just do ebook Kindle publishing this thing on YouTube itself, and you'll find so many videos. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.